Hi everybody, welcome to week 13. So for this week we read about alternative evaluation approaches, and in the chapter it was a comparative analysis of those. So it talked a little bit about 5 different approaches, and it kind of listed that chart with some strengths, limitations, reasons for using it. But the reading also covered why we use a mixture of methods as opposed to a single method. So that's kind of what I want you guys to talk about today with these questions and relating it a little bit to your projects. So the first question, looking at the 5 types of evaluations that were presented in the chart, which one stands out to you as the main one that you utilized in your project? Did you use a combination of them? Which portions of each did you use and why? So kind of just dive into that as much as you'd like. The second question is, do you see any places where some of the approaches overlap? Whether that's sharing strengths, sharing some limits, sharing reasons for using it, anything like that. The third question would be, why do you think we have models of evaluation if no one is just following one strictly on its own? Can you think of another discipline where this is the case, where you learn something one way, but when it comes to reality, you're doing it a different way? And then the last question is, why do you think some fields use the eclectic mixture of methods more than others? So the readings touch on it briefly in regards to the field of education versus some other fields that don't use mixed methods. So why do you think that is? I look forward to seeing your responses. You can do a video post or answer them if you'd like, just in text. I think the videos seem to be going over very well though. So I'll enjoy seeing those, and happy reading.